Hello, dear students. We are in the fourth unit, which is physical education and sports for differently abled. Yes, students, before this topic, we discussed the other topic with the PPT. But today's topic, I am going to discuss with this PDF file, which is downloaded from the cbscguide.com. Right? This is our topic for today, advantages of physical activities for children with special needs, or we can say the importance of the physical activities for the children with special need. Dear students, if a person is having some kind of disability and disorder, they also faces lots of problem in their life, in their day-to-day basis work, and sometimes they feel that nobody is taking interest in talking with them, no one is interacting with them, and that time they feel lots of stress in their mind. They think like that no one likes them, but at the same time the physical activities plays a vital role in their life because they give a motivation to them to do something else, something new, and it also creates a platform to perform their talent in front of others. In this series, the first is reduces level of anxiety, stress and depression. Those those children who are suffering from any disability and disorder, they got lots of anxiety, stress and depression in their mind just because of they think no one likes them, or they are something different, they don't know about so many things, and they are not able to do the motor activities. In this way they get lots of stress, and physical activities plays very important role in their life that time. When they takes part in physical activities, they involve in the physical education programs, that time they reduce their anxiety because that time they convert their mind to the activity in which they are going to perform. Whenever these children take part in the physical education programs, then they get to know about their abilities also. So many children are having lots of abilities, but they never perform it because no one gave them chance. But if we give them chance to participate in physical activities, then they can get to know about their abilities and they can reduce their stress, because then they will focus in that activity only. And the Paralympic games are the best examples of these activities, right? So we can say physical activities may help in reducing the level of anxiety, stress and depression in children with disabilities. Next is improved social interaction. When the person with disability get involved in different physical education program, different games and physical activities, that time they meet so many people that time, so many players that time, and so many players who are involving in the physical activities who are same as like them. That time they get some confidence also, and when they involve in such activities they improves their social interaction, they develop their social qualities also. Then we can say physical activities provided ample opportunities for improving the social interaction among children with special needs. The next point is better emotional and psychological health. It means physical activities are beneficial for children with special needs because such activities improves psychological and emotional health. When the children with disability involves in the physical activities, that time they develop their social interaction and they reduce their anxiety stress, as well as they get a strong and better emotional and psychological health. How? When the children takes part in these activities, they get emotionally fit and psychologically fit. Physical activities makes a person strong physically, mentally as well as socially. So in this way, if the person with disability takes part in the physical activity programs or in the physical activities, they get more powerful body, they get mentally fit, and they develop their social qualities also. Next benefit is cognitive benefits. Physical activities lead to cognitive skill improvement in children with disability. These activities allow them to discover and access strength and that cannot be challenged in the classroom setting. It means they get more chances to develop their qualities when they participated in physical activities. They improves their skills also, and they get chance to discover something more beneficial for them, which is not possible if they are sitting in the classrooms only. So we can say when disabled children takes part in the physical activities, they get lots of benefits of involving in physical activities. They reduce their anxiety, stress, they get physically fitness, they get mentally fit, they get socially interaction. These are the main importance or advantage of physical activities for those children.